Until now, there's never really been an effective tool to use to sell on Walmart, but that's changed. Now, Marter is gonna give you everything that you need to know to find profitable products to sell on Walmart. And I'm gonna break down exactly how you can use it to supplement your income alongside with Amazon or just create a new income stream altogether. And Walmart is a great marketplace to sell. Sales are growing year after year, and you're definitely gonna wanna get in on Walmart now before it's too late and use it alongside Amazon as ways to sell your profitable products. With that being said, let's get into how to sell on Walmart with this great tool called Marter. And as always, if you got value, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and let's get into it.
All right, guys, this is gonna change the game for selling on Walmart. Now, Walmart never really had a software until now. And this essentially, if you know what SellerAmp is for Amazon FBA, this is very similar to SellerAmp, but it's for Walmart. Now you can see here they have a Facebook community. If you want to join it, you can quickly grab the UPC. You can see the dimensions right up here. You can see the reviews and the ratings. And ratings and reviews are very important on Walmart because it's very difficult to really track the sales per month without something like this. So ratings are definitely important. But you can also go to Google so you can source this kind of product. For example, obviously this is just an example product. I don't think this product is profitable anywhere, but just to show you what it would look like. So you have Walmart.com is actually the seller of this product. So Walmart is selling this themselves. But you can see there's a seller count. You can see the referral fees right here. You can see the WFS cost. This would be if you sent it into Walmart, like if you sent it in for them to fulfill it. So Walmart actually has their own FBA. It's their version of FBA. And you don't have to do any merchant fulfill for that if you want to do that. And I've sent things into Walmart at WFS before, and it's been really good for me. So no issues there. You can see the cost price here. So let's say, obviously it's just a straight up example, but let's say we spent $17, which you probably won't find this for $17 because Walmart's selling this themselves. But you would see the profit right here. You would see the ROI right here. You want to go for the listings that are really third-party sellers, though. So that's important there. You don't want to try to compete with Walmart. It might be difficult to do that unless you get it on clearance. Estimated sales per month is right here at 204. So you can see this listing does $7,000 in revenue and sells 204 times a month. And you can see Walmart's stock right here. You can see the verified reviews. You can see all the reviews a month. So you can see that this was selling really well in July and August, most likely because back to school and stuff like that, because a lot of reviews are being left. So you can see the buy box winner percentage as well. Walmart was the only one selling this. There's also a reverse sourcing tool down here as well, which is another awesome perk of that. You can also see the lowest price history here as well. You can see this has been pretty stable selling for that amount. But you can also see reverse sourcing. So you can see how much it is on other websites really easily with this. Just got to be careful with these sources. But Walmart is definitely a lot less strict on like selling counterfeit and stuff like that. But you want to obviously be careful. You don't want to be selling counterfeit. It's pretty much illegal. So I don't want to encourage anyone to do that. But it's just wanted to say it's not as strict as how Amazon is, where you have to like send them invoices and stuff like that. Walmart is really, really Wild West, and it's a good opportunity to jump on because products are going to be way more expensive on Walmart. So you can look to see what you're already selling on Walmart, or it can be used as like a tool to offload inventory where the listing got pulled, for example. So that's just something that can happen where I've sold inventory that went down on Amazon, sold it on Walmart, got my money back and moved on. But you can see here, you can go to Amazon, see what the price is on Amazon, because a lot of things you can do also are Amazon to Walmart flips. So that's something that's really interesting. You can buy it on Amazon and flip it on Walmart for markup. So totally viable model there. You can also go to Google as well, like I mentioned before. You can see what it is on eBay. eBay to Walmart flips could be interesting, considering there is not really like a verification of like the authenticity the way Amazon does it. But I wouldn't do eBay to Amazon. I would do eBay to Walmart, if anything. That just sounds interesting to me. But then you can go to the website as well to open this on Marter.com, which is another great perk. So yeah, this is just a really, really great software that you can use to track everything. And you can use this almost as like a SellerAmp to source. And then it's also going to have scan history. So any products that you scanned, like if you can see when I was looking through it, there's probably ones like a few weeks back. Yeah, you can see here I was scanning through some stuff on Walmart. You can scan that again. So it has all your search history loaded up. You can also reset it. You can also download your entire search history as like a CSV file, or if you have to actually add it to a buy list as well. So yeah, if you add this to a buy list, it will export. So let's say we pretend we bought 50 units, you can save it and then you can export it. So that's kind of how that works. Now it's going to give me a CSV file. You can see right there, it exported that. So all my buys will load up like that. There you see how you have an export feature with all the information you need. So it really makes Walmart sourcing way easier and way simpler. It's never really been like this until now, until they really figured it out and made a software that's going to work for Walmart. There's also a sell button right here. You click this button, it will take you directly to Walmart so you can add it to your inventory. So yeah, really, really great features here. And I definitely think this is great if you're going to try to get into Walmart. And let's just dive into really what this software is. It's called Marter. You can start a free trial just inputting your email address as well. Also, I'm going to embed the link down in the description so you can go ahead and check that out. And if you do want to go ahead and subscribe to Marter, it's $24 a month right now. Annual is $240. So it's a really, really great software to get started with on Walmart and very affordable. You also have an app with it too. So you can do basically retail arbitrage with it as well. So there's a lot of great perks with Walmart or with Marter and selling on Walmart. So I hope you guys got some value from this video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you did, hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.